So, you're building a fashion brand. Let's make sure no one can just steal your amazing designs.
Okay, this is probably your biggest fear, right? Will a factory actually just take your designs?
Well, real protection isn't about secrecy. It's about structure. First up, let's talk legal groundwork.
First off, what's at stake? Your intellectual property. Basically, all your unique and creative brand assets.
When it comes to your legal foundation, there are 3 things you absolutely have to do.
So that's trademarking, written agreements, and controlling your files. Think of it as your legal shield.
Okay, rule number 1, register your trademark early. Do this before any production ever starts.
Second, a handshake just won't cut it. You absolutely need written agreements with your factory, period. So what's in that agreement? Make sure you have an NDA, IP clauses, and subcontracting rules.
And the third thing, your digital files. You'd be surprised how many problems start right here.
Here's the play. Low-res previews first. They don't get the full tech pack until you have an agreement.
All right, so you've got the legal side down. Now let's get into some really clever sourcing tactics. You gotta vet your factory. Look for partners with long-term clients. They're in it for the relationship.
And check this out, it's a great tactic. Don't give one factory the whole picture. Split it up. You could also use a sourcing agent. They're your eyes and ears on the ground protecting you.
But let's be real for a second. Copying happens in fashion. It just does. It's part of it.
The risks are real, and trying to enforce your rights across borders, it can be a real headache.
This is exactly why paperwork isn't enough. Your ultimate #1 defense is your brand itself.
Because think about it. They might copy a design, but they can't copy your entire brand identity.
And what does that look like? Consistent branding, unique marketing, and that trademark locked down everywhere. Because at the end of the day, a contract protects a design, but a great story protects a legacy.